The Ethereum Classic cost has been on the ascent recently, and many individuals are considering what's on the horizon for etc. In this blog entry, we'll investigate the absolute freshest Ethereum Classic value expectations and give our own point of view toward where we see the digital currency headed sooner rather than later. Continue to peruse to find out more. The Ethereum Classic cost has been on the ascent of late, and many individuals are thinking about what's in store for etc. In this blog entry, we'll investigate probably the most up-to-date Ethereum Classic value forecasts and give our own point of view toward where we see the cryptographic money headed sooner rather than later. Continue to peruse to find out more. In any case, after the fork, they separated. ETH went on with the progressions made by the hard fork, while etc. held the first blockchain. Thus, etc. has become known as the first Ethereum blockchain. While ETH is all the more well known and utilized, etc. has a little however committed local area of allies who trust in permanent blockchain innovation. Thusly, etc. is frequently alluded to as Ethereum's actual structure. Does Ethereum Classic have a future? It's difficult to anticipate the future. However, Ethereum Classic has a few things helping it out. First off, having sent off in 2016, it's one of the more settled digital currencies. It likewise has serious areas of strength foreign of designers and allies. Notwithstanding, Ethereum Classic faces a few difficulties. For instance, it has a moderately little market cap contrasted with other significant digital currencies, and it likewise comes up short on of the highlights that made Ethereum so famous. All things considered, Ethereum Classic remaining parts a practical choice for financial backers and clients who are searching for an option in contrast to Ethereum. At the present time, the hotly anticipated change of ETH to another exchange affirmation calculation, the Union, is occurring. Against the foundation of this progress, we see an expansion in interest in etc., which is reflected in Ethereum Classic's cost. The trade from mining to marking could prompt a critical expansion in etc's value. Diggers will be compelled to search for new coins, and etc. appears to be a decent choice. The reality of the situation will surface eventually whether Ethereum Classic will actually want to get by and flourish in the long haul. Is Ethereum Classic a decent purchase? Does Ethereum Classic have esteem? Despite the fact that Ethereum's market pointers are higher, it is the second crypto by market capitalization, and the degree of trust in Buterin's principal brainchild is additionally gigantic. Ethereum Classic exemplifies the norm of philosophically evident digital money, as many aficionados of the old branch call it. Likewise, today, the old branch is effectively intrigued by China and other Asian nations, the locale that takes care of the whole cryptographic money market. In the event that you look to put your resources in long-haul speculation, etc. might be a terrible decision. Etc. cost history appears to show enormous increments either when the entire market is developing or when the market is generally unsteady. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum Classic costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Ethereum Classic will be $40.53. The greatest level that the etc. cost can reach is $44.73. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $42.01. Etc. Value Conjecture for September 2022. In light of the value changes of Ethereum Classic toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical etc. pace of $38.82 in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $35.12 and at $39.93, individually. October 2022, Ethereum Classic Value Conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the etc. cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $38.13, while the greatest could reach $41.48 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum Classic may be around $39.98. Etc. Value estimate for November 2022. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value vacillations of Ethereum Classic in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal etc. rate they foresee may be around $41.18 in November 2022. It can drop to $39.33 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $43.08. December 2022, Ethereum Classic Value Figure. Around mid-year 2022, the etc. cost will be exchanged at $42.01 overall. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum Classic worth to $44.73. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $40.53 in December 2022. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum Classic in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Ethereum Classic will be around $57.76. The most extreme expected etc. cost might be around $70.19. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $59.86 in 2023. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum Classic, in 2024, etc. is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $82.89 and $99.74, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $85.28. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Ethereum Classic and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base etc. cost could drop to $117.27, while its most extreme can reach $142.47. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $121.54. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Ethereum Classic by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least etc. costs are normal in 2026, $211.02 and $170.02. Overall, it will be exchanged at $174.88. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Ethereum Classic. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical etc. cost will be around $259.09. It could drop to at least $252.10, however it